Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use my Christmas baubles. And I have made one right here. And it is cat eye bauble, blue one. So pretty. Alright, now on my nails I have already placed Baby Powder 01 DD by iGel Beauty, and I'm going to be using the Rosalind Shiny Platinum Gel, and it is a blue. Where's all my hand? Alrighty, I've already placed one layer of the baby powder, so we are done with that. Next thing I'm going to do is get some of my black that I have over here on my palette already, and it is from Elite99 1348. So what I'm going to do on this middle nail is I'm going to place this green, dark green cord, like garland that you put on your tree, on my nail. And this is the brush I got from Amazon or Wish, I'm not sure, but I want to use this liner brush or detailer brush. Okay, I've got that on there, and I'm going to flash cure this. Let me get my little flashy lamp here, and I got this from Amazon or Wish, I'm not sure. So I'm going to place that and get that set in for 10 seconds. Flash it. Alrighty, now next I'm going to get some of my base gel. You can place these down with base gel. You can place these down with poly gel. You can place them down with hard gel or acrylic. I'm just going to do this with the base gel. I'm going to put me a dollop right here. I'm going to place my... And you can file these guys. You can file them into like a curve for the nail on the back side of them. You can file them. All right, I'm gonna place this in and let this cure for 60 seconds. Anyways, I'll get this done. I got my blue platinum shiny gel on there, and I put some iridescent glitters on here. I'm gonna make that a snip, like an icicle nail. I'll put that in for 60 seconds. Move this out of the way for the time being. Alright, I've got these back out. Get my brush and knock off the excess sugar glitter. Alright, just the way I want that. Alright, now on this nail, I am going to my snow globe. I make these snow globes, and I also sell them too, guys. And this one is a little Christmas tree of snow. So what I'm going to do is I wanted to show you that you can also use your glue gel from Shemodern. do is put it on there. In the spot that you want it. As it is, I'm going to put it over the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to put that in for 60. And now we're back. And I'm going to make this. Girls, I am losing my head today. Put that right there. Now I'm going to take the glitter and pour it around it. Now, get my here. And then what I'm going to do is take my Snow White top coat from Azure and use it to go around this side. You can place these just like you do any jewel, guys. You do not have to be easy with these. If you want it to be curved, like I said, take your file and file your curve in it. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. So beautiful. For 60 seconds. Here it goes in the oven. I'll let that one just drip off, but I am going to file and buff these, and I'll be right back for the reveal top coat. Alright, now I got those buffed and filed the way I wanted them, and get my brush, knock off all the dust. Now for the final top coat. Look at that. That is my snow globe. Okay, we're not gonna top coat this one because it is a sugar nail. And this one. Look at that. And that is my finished thing before I put them in to cure for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back to show you the end result.